Hi Miss A. Soma. This is part 2 of the verb pitch accent video series. Before explaining pitch accent patterns, let's talk about Ichidan katsuyo verb conjugations. When the end of the dictionary form of a verb is ru and the vowel before it is I or e, the verb usually follows the Ichidan katsuyo verb conjugation pattern. For example, iru, to stay, to be, miru, to see, to watch, to look at, okiru, to wake up, to get up, deru, to leave, to come out, neru, to sleep, taberu, to eat. Actually, their conjugation is really simple to determine. Do you remember the Godan katsuyo conjugation pattern? Ichidan katsuyo is similar to that. And they have the same suffixes, verb helpers, and particles as Godan katsuyo verbs. In Godan katsuyo, kake has two usages. First, the imperative form, which is a strong sounding command, and second in making if clauses. In Ichidan katsuyo, we have miro, which is imperative form, and mire, which is used to make if clause. This is the only difference. Otherwise, they are the same. Here are examples. Miru, neru,
見ない、寝ない。
mimasu, nemasu, mimasu, nemasu. Both of them are okay. Mireba, nereba, miro, nero, miyo, neo. So native Japanese speakers memorize Ichidan katsuyo verbs conjugation this way. Mi, miru, mire, miro, miyo. So you might think that why do we have to say mi twice? Actually, there's some reason. Do you remember I used
These ones.
to explain verb conjugation? Actually, they are diablock in Japan. We say block as bricks. And some idea popped into my mind. If we try to think, for example, masu has 2 pegs. Nai has 1 peg.
Then
You need to memorize just from top to down. 1 tube, 2 tubes, 3 tubes, 4 tubes, 5 tubes, top to down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
tubes mean bricks holes. Then you don't need to.
Memorize. マスは動詞の連用形につく。kind of.
Nai has 1 peg, so it snaps onto the first base. Masu has 2 pegs, so it snaps onto the second base. Nouns have 3 pegs, so it snaps onto the third base. Ba has 4 pegs, so it snaps onto the fourth base. U or yo has 5 pegs, so it snaps onto the fifth base.
Now let's get back to pitch accent. We have 2 styles of verb pitch accent. 平板 and 起伏, flat and up and down. Let's review what flat style means. The first hiragana should be read low, and the second one should be read high, maintaining the tone until the end of the word. And when you read it in the end of the sentences, the ending should be read slightly lower. If you're not sure, please watch my pitch accent videos. Except flat style. Here's just one rule. So we can unite head high style and middle high style together. Here's the rule. Every kifuku verb has its own accent peak on the second hiragana from the last one. So, if there are verbs composed of two hiragana characters, such as miru, yamu to read, they use head-high style accent patterns. And for verbs consisting of 3, 4, or more hiragana characters, such as arawasu to express, tetsudau to help. This tetsudau, help, doesn't mean rescue. Do the dishes, clean the room, kind of help, tetsudau. Hottarakasu. Please watch my hottarakasu video. They use middle-high style accent patterns. And there are no tail-high style accent pattern verb. Now you know that. So, now you can separate verbs into 6 patterns. 5段活用 flat, 5段活用起伏、1段活用 flat, 1段活用起伏、下辺起伏、左辺する flat. We will study verb pitch accent with verb helpers using many funny examples in later videos. In the next pitch accent video, I will introduce super verb helper ます。いただきます。ありがとうございます。お願いします。ずます。And its own conjugation. Before that, I will make a video on how to use つもり. That is the part 2 of the how to express the future in Japanese. Actually, pitch accent never appears on JLPT test. Never appears. But つもり often appears on the test. よく出ます。なぜなら because つもり has many complicated things. だから please subscribe. そんなわけでした。はい。ありがとうございました。お疲れ様でした。See you!